DigitalEdu is a software company fully dedicated to bring advanced, innovative, world-class IT solutions to educational institutes. One such powerful offering is School Information Management System. It is our flagship product. In short, we call it SIMS. To know more about this product, let's dive into this presentation. One such powerful offering is School Information Management System. This is our flagship product. In short, we call it SIMS. To know more about this product, let's dive into this presentation. So what basically is SIMS? SIMS can be defined in one line as key to efficient school management. It takes care of repetitive tasks and it automates day-to-day management chores. This tool is developed based on latest internet technologies. This tool is highly scalable, robust and a reliable platform. Each member around a school, may it be a teacher, a parent, a staff member or management executive, they will get a login account into this system. This tool is fully configurable to serve educational needs right from KG to PG. This tool allows central management of multiple institutes. SIMS is fully mobile device ready system. Marking periods like year, semester and quarters are very well supported by SIMS, and this makes it a tool that can be used in any type of educational institute, may it be engineering college, a medical college, a business school or any other type of professional school, apart from regular primary schools, secondary schools, higher secondary schools, may them be nurseries or even playgroups. SIMS is aware of percentage, grades, GPA and rank type of assessment patterns. Any combination of this assessment pattern can be activated in a particular configuration or a particular installation. SIMS is aware of different schooling patterns like domestic as well as international schooling patterns. Here, teachers also get chance to set common as well as subject goals for each student. They also get chance to compare performance of student with his or her own previous work. These are different modules offered under SIMS. These are basically categorized under two groups, core modules and premium modules. Core modules include fees management, attendance management, progress management, school notice management, timetable management, assignment management, admission management, and parent-school communication. Core modules are offered with the basic package of SIMS. Premium modules are configurable and they can be included into the basic plans as per the need of the educational institute. Premium modules include email and SMS reporting, transport management, staff activity management, library management, healthcare management, food service management, and house activity management. So what are benefits of SIMS? SIMS reduces management overhead. It automates repetitive tasks. It sends SMS alerts to the involved party automatically. It helps the school to reduce paper usage and hence save stationery. It also helps the school to participate or to contribute to the green world. It helps the schools to improve their brand image further by bringing out their modern outlook to the society. It also helps the students to boost their confidence through practical exposures to computers and other systems. So what are the requirements for installing SIMS at any educational institute? Nothing. They just need one computer that is connected to internet and that's it. They can automate the whole school. This tool is very intuitive to operate. That is, it is very easy to operate. DigitalEdu takes care of all server-side needs. May it be data management, may it be code management, bug management, everything. The educational institute just have to use the system as an end user. They need no kind of IT expertise at their end or a staff member at their end to take care of this system. So basically, how does Sims look? Let's get in and have a hands-on demo of this powerful system. This is the login screen. Here, the user will come, feed in his username and password and log into the system. So once the person is logged in, he comes onto the home page automatically. We call this as the dashboard also. Here we see the name of the user who is logged in, and he can change the semester or school information or other related information. Like if it is a parent, he will be able to select the student or the kid. Say if a parent has two kids in the school, he'll get a chance here to select either of the two students or two kids to check the details. Similarly, a teacher will get chance to pick one of his classes and work on that class accordingly. So let's move in ahead and see the other features on this page. So if there is a new message you have received from anyone in this system, you'll get an alert here saying that, oh, you have one unread message. School notices that are active during the time or on that day are shown onto this dashboard like this. If there are any events that are going to happen on that day in the school, they'll be shown over here like this. Fees details are shown over here. As you can see, this student has an outstanding balance of 500 rupees. That means his due date has passed and he hasn't still paid the fees. The system is also capable of automatically sending an SMS to the student or his parents for payment of the fees on the due date. Any assignments that are active on that day are shown over here. Multiple assignments multiple assignments will show one after another. Let's move on to the next page, that is the school page. Here we are on to the calendar subtab, and here we can make the selection of a year or a month for which we want to see the calendar. The calendar will show events, activities, assignments created by teachers and staff members for that member. If you click on any particular entry onto the calendar, a window will pop up giving the details that are fed during it was created. Let's move on to the next page, that is the student tab. We are looking at the student info subtab. Under this student info subtab, we are now looking at the general information field. Here the demographic information and other school related information of the student is shown like this. If we move on to the address and contacts field, we will be able to see the student's home address, mailing address, primary emergency contact, secondary emergency contacts, and other contacts as he wanted to list or his parents wanted to list. Ability for a student to change the contact information can be configured very easily by the admin. By this we mean, if this is a college environment, the student will come and change his or her own information directly. But if this is a school environment, the permission will be given to parents to change this information. Student will be only able to see it. Now we are on to the scheduling tab, and we are looking at the schedule subtab where the timetable of that student or that member who is logged in is shown. The period details like the name of the subject, the name of the teacher, and the room in which this period is being conducted is shown in this timetable like this. If we go on to the grades tab, gradebook subtab, all the grade details are shown like this. In the first column, the name of the course is shown. In the second column, teacher, then the percentage and the letter grade that he has received. The ungraded assignment column shows the assignments that are currently ungraded. When I'm saying this, you might be thinking, yes, this tool allows grading students or giving marks to students right from one single assignment up to exams. And all these things can be considered into the final grade based on percentage that has been entered by the teacher. This graph over here is an interesting pattern. This graph is also an aid for the students or parents or the teachers to understand where one particular student is standing in the class. Many governments or many state governments are currently banning giving ranks to students. In that situation, a graph like this is very useful to understand where the student is standing in the class. I'll explain what this graph shows. The left gray edge is, say, suppose the 0 marks, and the right gray edge is, say, the 100 marks. The left dark green edge shows the minimum marks received by any student in that class, and the right dark green edge shows the highest marks received by any student in that class. The light green marker shows the average, the class average, and this red marker shows where the student is. So now just by a snapshot you'll know if the student is a topper, like in this case, or is at the bottom, or is above average, or is below average. So isn't it a very powerful feature? Take a moment and understand what this graph means by this text. Now let's move on and click on the expand all. What will it show? It will show the details of each subject broken down at assignment levels and exam level. The same combination or the same explanation we saw previously at each subject level is now shown at each assignment or exam level. Right? So now let's move on to the next page, that is the attendance tab. We are currently on to the absences sub tab, and the selected date range is shown over here. You can change this date range and get the report for different dates. So this is the column, or this is the table where attendance or the absences are shown, and these are the different attendance codes we are using currently into the system. These codes are configurable and can be changed by the school or the educational institute as per the need. Now if we go to the daily summary sub tab, we can get the daily summary of the attendance. Means if this school is taking attendance once per day, this tab will be very useful, and they can just get the snapshot if the student is present, absent. If the daily option is now changed to by period option, the report or the table changes and shows period wise breakup of the attendance that was shown at day level. Obviously, there is plethora of information about SIMS available on our website. Visit www.digitaledu.net, or you can even contact us over email or send us SMS or call us with this given information. Feel free to talk to our representatives who are giving you this demonstration. Thank you.